In today's video, I'll show you how to turn any picture into a silhouette using Canva. And here's the exciting part. If you want to create custom frames with this silhouette, make sure to watch the entire video because, by the end, I'll share the simplest way to convert any photo into a frame right inside Canva. No Photoshop needed. Let's dive in. First, upload the image you want to convert into a silhouette. Once the image is on your canvas, remove its background. Next, click on Edit Image and select the duotone effect. From the available options, choose Custom. Open the highlight color settings and set the color to black. And just like that, your image is transformed into a clean, sharp silhouette. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's take it a step further and convert this image into a frame. Start by adding a new page in Canva. Upload the same or any other image and remove its background again. Next, go to Apps and search for Frame Maker. Click on it to install the app. With this app, you can create custom frames effortlessly, but today, we'll use their Convert feature. Now, this is a paid feature, but don't worry, there's a free trial available so you can test it out. I'll leave the link in the video description for you. Once you get the trial, click on Convert Design to Frame. Select the maximum size option and make sure to check the transparent background. Then, choose the page you want to convert and click Export. And there you have it. Your image is converted to frame. You can easily drag and drop any image inside it. It's so simple and easy. And you no longer need Photoshop to create these kinds of custom frames. And that's it for today's tutorial. And if you're curious about more apps to boost your creativity, watch this video next, where I share the 10 best Canva apps to take your designs to the next level.